You begin a journey today as a husband and wife, and eventually this journey will walk, right? And then eventually children will come, family will come, and the best thing you can give to your children is the gift of your love, the gift of you caring, and the gift of forgiving.
I wish you two a happy and strong marriage. Enjoy it, love each other all the time. Again, like the priest said, forgive each other, but it's gonna be a forever journey for you guys.
I'm so happy for you guys, and I'm grateful to be here today to celebrate your union as Mr. and Mrs. Abraham.
I know this is not the weather you guys were expecting, but they say for every raindrop on your wedding day is a prayer and a blessing. And we have nothing but to be thankful for, all right?
Thank you for everything. Thank you for not giving up on me and us, always seeing the best in me. Always supporting me and loving me. As your soon-to-be husband, I promise to never stop trying for you. I love you so much, Johana. You are truly the biggest blessing in my life, and I can't wait to start this new chapter together.
Hey Joe, I'm so excited to marry you. I can't wait to see you walk down this aisle. I'm just so happy we're finally getting married. It's finally here, we did it. I love you so much. I know you're gonna look so beautiful. All our family and friends are here. We're gonna have the best time of our life. And I'm so happy. I love you so much.
As you begin this journey, you will remember these words: caring first, caring for each other second, forgiving each other, and allowing God to love you the way you're going to love each other.
We were made for this.